Okay. Hey guys, I had a 4-day weekend, the first day of which I spent pretty catatonic, getting some rest. But I had a little extra time on my hands, and so I thought I'd make a new video about drones. I use drones often at work. I work at a real estate brokerage firm, a big one. You've heard of us. I work in the marketing department, and the most common need that the agents need are listing photos. They need that house photographed. But depending on their budget, they might also want a video tour or a Matterport tour. When it's a video tour, I use drones. The video tours are pretty fun to make. They're a lot more stylish and creative to make than Matterports or listing photos or other marketing materials. Those are kind of perfunctory or a little bit standard. But the video tours, kind of creative, kind of cool. For these video tours, I often use 3 different drones: the Neo, the Mini 4 Pro, and the Aveda. Let's start with Neo. So, for anyone who's watched my previous videos, you'll remember I was really into Neo for a while. I still am. What a great little drone. It does have its limitations, and if you didn't believe me before, well, now I have evidence. Neo cannot handle wind, which makes it really good for indoors. And for real estate marketing video use, whether it's social media or these long form videos that I do sometimes, it's great for details and for kind of tighter shots and like nice little transitional moments. It's just a good little drone to fly around the house and get some good footage that you can use later. Okay, and on to Mini 4 Pro. As you can see, although it's extremely windy, it's staying pretty stable. Well, it might not be the drone itself that is staying stable, but the little gimbal is. So the footage looks stable. You may have also noticed that I had it covered with stickers. I work in an area with a lot of seagulls and a lot of birds, and so it's an attempt to keep the birds away from it. Of these 3, it is the best for wind. It's safe to take high up, far away, over water, and in wind within reason. An excellent little drone, kind of my first drone love. It helps create very cinematic, very beautiful exterior footage. Okay, and on to Aveda, the latest drone in my little fleet. It is controlled using this sort of joystick type remote. It's like this one-handed joystick and these VR goggles. But as you can see, you can fly entirely through a house with this drone. So you can just find a comfortable place to sit and fly the drone through the front door and through the house and through the balconies and through every nook and corner of every room, and you'll end up with a lot of footage if you do it multiple times. So you always want to kind of keep that in mind, that you want to shoot for the edit, and the more footage you get, the more you're going to have to go through later. Earlier in the video, around 4 minutes ago, I mentioned that these video tours can be quite creative at times. This one, in fact, had a little bit of narrative in it that I think is kind of beautiful. So I thought I'd leave the end bit in. And the next video is a penthouse. It's a penthouse at one of the high rises on the island. It uses all 3 drones that I went over. See if you can identify which clips are which drones. I made a few videos last year about NEO, and one of the videos that I made, before I made it, I checked the weather. I saw there was going to be no wind that day, and so I took NEO out into the world. It's done completely with NEO. I'm going to link that video in the description. NEO is only $140, and I love that little drone. Okay guys, back to work tomorrow, so I'm off to bed. Good night.